Goodness, this is the window. And again, I have a little nest here with the little babies. The mom is coming with some food inside her mouth, but because I am standing and I'm writing, I can try to show you the mommy. She's just somewhere there. I will try to hide, but obviously with the flash. Let's see if she will come over. Let's see if I will take out the flash. Oh, it's quite dark. You can't see nothing. I can't see here. So let's wait for a while. I believe she will come over anyway. I'm trying to hide behind the curtain, but because it's quite dark there, so I need a flash. Hopefully the mommy will come to feed them now, and she will not get scared of the flash. Let's wait. The babies, they open their mouths, so that means the mommy is somewhere around. Mommy or daddy? I don't want to speak loud, so I'm not gonna scare the parents. Let's wait. Patient. I'm trying to count how many babies are there, but I can't. I think it should be 5, because the sparrows usually they make 5 to 6 eggs. I think they prefer without flash. Okay, I think let's leave the babies alone so the parents can come and feed them. Wish them good luck to grow up and fly away, because I have to clean the window. So I'm gonna let them stay and fly away, and then cleaning up the window. Bye, babies. I can't wait anymore for the parents to come to feed them. Sorry, guys. Next time, maybe.